Jacques Roy from CNRS in Montpellier, more especially from the Ecology Institute of CNRS. And my role in AnaEE is I'm the deputy coordinator, more in charge of the scientific aspect of AnaEE.
I am André Chanzy. I participate to ENVRI Plus on the behalf of AnaEE infrastructure. My role is I am the coordinator of the French node of AnaEE, which is already operational now. And I also participate to the implementation teams, which aims to make the European infrastructure operational in the coming years.
AnaEE is an infrastructure that is providing experimental platform for the international communities, especially the European ones, but even larger. And our role also is to add values to the different national platform, experimental platform and analytical platform, modeling platform, so that there is better integration between those different experimental platforms and also some more added value. So for those aspects, we are creating supranational entities, of course a coordinating hub, but more importantly, technology center that will spread the technology, harmonize the technologies. We are also designing a data and modeling center for standardization also, but for integration of the various data and results of a model, and an interface and synthesis center to have a more direct interaction with all the scientists at the European level and with the platform of the AnaEE infrastructure.
AnaEE is unique in the terms that it allows to make experimentation on ecosystems. It is the only infrastructure devoted to that purpose, and this makes possible to develop new knowledge thanks to the capacity of manipulated different drivers in the ecosystem to better understanding the processes. It is complementary to other kind of infrastructure as LTER, which are more observational, and I think there are a clear interest to have both kind of infrastructure in the field of ecosystem research.
For the industry, it's at different levels, already upstream of the infrastructure by collaborating with the industry to develop some sensors, some instruments, and also to offer to the companies, having developed those instruments, testbed for their instrumentation across the various platforms we have along climatic gradient, along ecosystem types gradient, along soil characteristics. And at the same time, at each site, we have manipulation of single factors, for example, drought or, for example, management, that allow even better calibration and test of the instrumentation of the companies. Then the companies can use directly the infrastructure to test better way to, for example, manage the ecosystem, or to test new varieties, or to see how some ecosystem services could be developed, for example, for a wastewater treatment system. Then there are benefits for company for the use of the data that are acquired with the platform of AnaEE. For example, we'll do experimentation to test the impact of future climate change on crop production, for example, and company like insurance company or company dealing with investments would be very much interested in those results to plan what will be the future of the investment or the insurance for crop production of bioresources production in general.